Thanks for tuning back into Nail Art Madness. Today I am going to be doing a bloody eye nail tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is add in the eyeball, and I'm going to be taking my white nail polish and I'm going to do a semicircle going off the side of the nail, and then I'm going to fill that circle in with white polish. Now I'm going to be adding in some eye color. I chose the color green. You can use any color that you want. And I'm going to go toward the end of the eye and I'm going to do a circle of green. Now I'm going to go in with my red nail polish and my nail art brush, and I'm going to outline the back of the eye with the red polish. I'm also going to be adding in the eye veins, and for that I did thin out my red nail polish, and I did really thin curvy lines for the veins, and I sort of stretched them out going toward the color of the eye. Next I'm going to be adding in the optical nerve, and for that I just pulled curvy lines from the back end of the eye and made a weird curvy triangle shape and filled that in with red nail polish. And I'm also going to be going in with my black nail polish, and I also thinned it out with acetone as well. And I outlined the design, and then I went in and added the pupil to the eye, which is just a little round circle inside of the eye color. Now this part is optional, you don't have to do this. I went in and added a white dot of polish inside of the black pupil, just a small tiny white dot. So now I'm going to fill the rest of the nail up with this design, and I will be right back. So there are a few different ways that you can do this design. At the end of the video, I will show some pictures of, I think, 3 different ways that I did this design. I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit your bell option for notifications when I upload new content. I hope everyone has a great Halloween, and I will see y'all next time.